That serial killer killed another woman last night.
Really?
Yeah. It says here he's targeting young, attractive blondes.
Okay, that's it. I'm not closing the bar by myself anymore.
Why?
Well, I don't really think
What are you
have
worried
anything
about?
to worry about. You don't fit the description.
Yeah.
I fit the description.
No. Young, attractive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard it.
All right,
I
well,
fit the
first of
description.
all, you're too big, D. Let's face it. You're like
You're like a female Larry Bird.
There you go.
There's too much of you.
Yeah.
There's not too much of me.
He would never finish the job.
No.
Get the job done.
Oh, he'd spend his whole night hacking and sawing.
And then he still wouldn't be done. He would open his box of tools and he would say, "What tools am I going to use?"
He
Use
could-
his normal tools
He
on
could
me.
look at that pile of bones and flesh and
How
say,
many people have I murdered tonight?
How is this just one person?
Yeah.